Thinking about moving to Thailand long term? Imagine being able to live in Thailand for years without constantly worrying about short-term tourist visas, border runs, or complicated visa planning. That's exactly why Thailand introduced the Destination Thailand Visa, also known as the DTV Visa. This 5-year multiple entry visa was designed for today's global lifestyle. Whether you're a remote worker, freelancer, entrepreneur, digital creator, or simply someone looking to spend more time in Thailand, the DTV Visa can provide a flexible long-term solution. Under the current program, visa holders can stay in Thailand for up to 180 days per entry, with the option to extend for another 180 days. After that, simply exit and re-enter Thailand to activate a new stay period. For thousands of people around the world, the DTV Visa has opened the door to a more flexible life in Thailand, but understanding whether you qualify is the next important step. One of the biggest misconceptions about the DTV Visa is that it's only for remote workers. In reality, the program was designed to cover several different types of applicants. The Workcation category is popular among remote employees, freelancers, online business owners, content creators, and digital entrepreneurs working with clients or companies outside Thailand. The softpower category allows applicants to participate in approved activities such as Muay Thai training, Thai cooking schools, sports programs, seminars, workshops, and medical treatments. And for those planning a life in Thailand with their family, spouses, and dependent children can also qualify under the dependent category. The challenge is understanding which category fits your situation best and how to prove your eligibility correctly. And that's where many applicants begin to run into problems. This is where most people quickly realize the Destination Thailand Visa is more than just filling out an online application. Applicants are required to provide financial evidence, proof of location, passport documentation, photographs, and category-specific supporting documents. And while the requirements may look simple at first glance, many applications are delayed because documents are incomplete, poorly organized, inconsistent, or simply don't demonstrate eligibility clearly enough. Different embassies may also expect documents to be presented in a professional and structured way. For many applicants, the biggest challenge isn't obtaining the documents, it's knowing exactly what should be included, how it should be organized, and how to present it in a way that supports a successful application. We specialize exclusively in Thailand's destination visa. Every application is unique. That's why we don't rely on generic templates or copy and paste solutions. We review your situation, determine the most suitable category, prepare the required supporting documents, organize your financial evidence, create professional application packages, and manage the process from start to finish. In many cases, our clients don't need to spend hours researching embassy requirements, comparing Facebook advice, or wondering whether their documents are sufficient. We handle the paperwork. We handle the preparation. We handle the strategy. So you can focus on planning your future in Thailand. If you're considering applying for a DTV visa and want the process managed professionally from beginning to end, visit DTVTHAILAND.LEGAL and let our team take care of the rest. If you have any questions about the DTV visa, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We read every comment and do our best to reply to everyone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.